Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to change your username on Likee. Your username is the first thing people see on Likee, so if you have outgrown your old one or just want a fresh start, this tutorial will help you do it safely and easily. First of all, open up your Likee application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in. Now click on the human icon at the bottom right corner and this will open up your profile section. From your profile page, tap on Edit. In the Edit Profile section, tap on your name and then go ahead and enter a new one. Once you are done, click on Save at the top right to save your change. And there you have successfully changed your username on Likee. If you found the video to be helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple tech guides and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.